Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a review about this transporter from Maisto Design. Comes in a 1/64 scale die-cast metal, and we're going to find out how much of it is die-cast metal. Comes with a very cool BMW, BMW, Bayerische Motorenwerke. Dankeschön. And that's also the reason I bought this set. Here it is, Mack Anthem 1988 BMW I want to say fly 3 Series M3. Now we're going to have a look at the back, where they have a very cool painting photo of the truck and the BMW. Transporters, yep, Mack. Okay, let's open this beauty up. This is not the first model I have from a Maisto transporters. Got a couple of more. Also got a couple of more of these BMWs. Okay. Yes, I'm prepared. Snap. We can get that car out. And we got another one right here. There we go. And there's another one right here. Ooh, I like this right here. Very easy to take off and also put it back inside. Hey, what is this? I want this one too. This one looks cool too. So there probably is another one. Another truck, same truck, maybe different color with that other car. Okay, let's have a look at the BMW first. Here it is. Really cool. Very good rolling wheels. Yes, rubber tires, and it's a plastic base, but with some details. I like that. Unfortunately, no license plate. We got M3 here, painted rear lights, and we got an exhaust tip and the BMW logo here in the back. I like the blue with the red stripes. We're also going to have a look inside, of course. No side windows, but we do have a good interior. Poke for shifting gear. Nice seats. Looks very realistic. Here we got the front. Painted front lights. There is M3 right here. BMW logo. Very cool model. Then we're going to have a look at the truck. Let's unhook it. Okay, we have to... Whoa! Did you see that? What? You can stretch it. That is awesome. Okay, but I think I have to do this. Yep. So you have to pull, click, pull, click. So here we got the truck, and I just found out you can stretch it. How cool is that? Also, very good rolling wheels. The wheels in the front are a little bit thin. This is all plastic. Yeah, double wheels. Okay, someone is going to make a lot of noise, so I'm closing the window. So that's much better. Where was I? Truck. Do we have an opening part? Yes, we do have an opening part, and we do have some details here. That's pretty cool. Let's have a look all the way around. So this is the front. This looks like a sticker to me. The lights, Mack in the front. Side mirrors, I like that. This is supposed to be a window, but it is a sticker. Leo's transport surface. I believe this is the exhaust, fuel tanks right here. So overall, pretty good looking truck for the money you pay. No windows in the sides, and that gives us the chance to have a look inside. Nice steering wheel. Pretty good seat. Yeah, not bad at all. I like it. How much of it is die-cast? How much of it is plastic? This right here is die-cast. This is plastic. This is plastic. This feels die-cast right here, but this plastic. So a lot of plastic and not so much die-cast. This is also plastic. Yeah. How much of it needs to be metal to say, hey, this is a die-cast truck, car, etc. Okay, then we're going to have a look at the trailer. First look, pretty good. Lots of plastic. This is all plastic. Would be so cool if it was metal, but it's not. It's not. Okay, we can switch this. This is metal because it has to be a little bit strong. Base also made out of plastic. So yeah. Okay, let's see how we can do this. So we have to take this off. Yep, there we go. That goes very easy. The downside is if I put it like this, this should be like a green light that you can flap this out, you know what I mean? Now it's a little bit too short. It's not that bad, but yeah. Will this meteorite fit inside? Yep. It's even big enough for a meteorite. Then we can put this down, I believe. So, oh, that goes very easy. I like that. I like that. You can drive it up all the way to there. And this one can also lower. Yes, how cool is that? Oh, that's very nice. But if you do that, you see there comes a gap here. So it's better to do it like this. This is much better. Yeah. I have to say, I like it. I like these Maisto trucks. Maybe they look a little bit cheap, but for the money you pay, and it comes with a cool car, I think it is worth it. For a kid, I think you have to be careful with this construction. And if you do it like this, let's see if that's, yeah, goes very well. And then we do, I like that it goes so easy. It's very well, yeah. Okay, let's see how many cars fit on it. I think most of you want to know. And I want to know that too. Got some cars here. Even the FedEx. Now the FedEx needs to be on top. I got this initial D car. Can fit inside. And we got this large, beautiful casting. This one comes with a magazine. Really awesome. Metal body, metal base. Perfect interior details. X-Car Toys. Remember that brand. Fantastic brand. And one more car. This Matchbox Rough Rabbit. Okay, the only downside is there is no, how do you call it, a thing that keeps the car in place. That's not there. So you have to do it like this. But 6 cars in total. Not bad, right? Okay, let me know what you think about this truck. Don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you very much for watching. And I will see you soon. Happy hunting. Bye.